If you're like us here in the test kitchen, all you have to do is mention the word pie and everyone's ears perk up. I'm not sure what it is about pie that makes everyone so giddy. And with today being National Pie Day, I figured we should honor the occasion by whipping up a pie that has become one of our new favorites. We start off by cutting some candy bars into small pieces. As for the kind, that's up to you, but we think the gooier the better. We set those aside and mix together some cream cheese and sugar until it's smooth. Once it is, we beat in a couple of eggs, one at a time. Then we add in some sour cream and some peanut butter. And we keep beating it until it looks light like this. Now, we line the bottom of a store-bought pie crust that we've baked off with the candy that we've cut up. On top of that, we spoon on the filling and into the oven it goes until the center is set. After it cools, we finish it off with a basic ganache, which is simply some chocolate chips that we melted in warmed up heavy cream. Once it's set, it's ready to serve. I do have to warn you though, that this is one of those desserts that seems to disappear in a flash. The good news is the recipe for our candy bar pie is online now, just in time for us to celebrate National Pie Day. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we created a gooier way for you to enjoy all of the, ooh, it's so good.